Step inside Tucson, where thousands of fresh cupcakes are born every hour. And one delicious bite changes everything. A modern cupcake factory, where thousands of delicious treats are made every hour. Premium ingredients are precisely mixed into smooth, colorful batters. Watch these rich batters flow perfectly into the next stage. The batter now enters massive ovens to bake into golden perfection. Fresh golden cupcakes come out perfectly baked and ready for decorating. They cool gently on long conveyors before the magic of decorating begins. Automated decorators pipe beautiful buttercream swirls with incredible precision. Every single cupcake is carefully inspected for perfection. Each cupcake is a perfect little masterpiece.
From simple batter to beautiful finished cupcakes.
Fresh Tucson cupcakes heading out to delight customers everywhere.
Pallets are prepared for delivery across the country.
Tucson, pure cupcake perfection. Thanks for watching.